If you're familiar with e-signatures, you've probably heard of DocuSign. They've been well known in the e-signature industry for decades, and their products are considered top shelf, especially among enterprise customers. SignNow, on the other hand, is mostly favored by small and medium-sized businesses, while still gaining traction in the enterprise sector. Therefore, if you're looking for a reasonably priced e-signature application for your daily business needs, SignNow is clearly the #1 choice among DocuSign alternatives. But how does SignNow hold up against DocuSign? This video will help you compare these two solutions based on the most important factors. Let's start with a product overview of DocuSign versus SignNow. DocuSign has been a household name in the e-signature market since 2003. During this time, DocuSign's user base steadily increased until it eventually became the largest vendor of e-signature software, with over 1 billion users worldwide. It would be fair to say that DocuSign kind of uses its expertise and reputation to set higher overall subscription prices than the competition, while also charging extra for some of its premium features, which we find absolutely reasonable, by the way. SignNow, on the contrary, is a young and charismatic company, and the reason why it's among the most popular DocuSign alternatives is because of its attractive pricing, ease of use and deployment, and a rich set of features that we are proud of. With over 28 million users globally, SignNow may not be as widely known as DocuSign yet, but the current user rating of 4.6 out of 5 against DocuSign's 4.5 on G2 tells us we're moving in the right direction. So, if you're looking to fully digitize your document workflows and streamline business processes, choosing SignNow might be considered your first step towards that goal. For many companies, nothing is more important than pricing. That's why our feature-rich product is among the most reasonably priced on the market. The SignNow pricing model is similar to that of DocuSign, with 4 subscription tiers: pay per user and paid monthly or annually. In addition, SignNow allows each subscriber to buy up to 10 extra user seats, so even more teammates can save time with SignNow. With DocuSign, you can only buy up to 5 user seats per subscription, starting with the standard plan. With significantly lower prices, SignNow holds an undisputed advantage over DocuSign, especially when compared to annual billing. Plus, DocuSign doesn't disclose the price of their highest tier subscription on their website, as they calculate the cost per the customer's request. Now, let's talk about features. With over 20 years of continuous development and innovations, DocuSign has become an advanced contract management platform suited for the largest enterprises. Meanwhile, SignNow achieved the same level of sophistication in a much shorter time. Users across multiple review platforms confirm that SignNow has everything they need to get documents signed electronically at a much lower price than DocuSign. As you can see, both SignNow and DocuSign offer every standard feature you would expect from an e-signature app. This includes electronic document signing, setting a signing order, bulk sending documents for signature, real-time signature tracking, easy-to-use fillable forms, payment collection, and mobile-friendly signing on iOS and Android apps, just to name a few. Both products also support enterprise-grade features, including an admin dashboard for managing multiple user accounts, collaboration tools and asset sharing, custom branding, and a rich API for seamless integration with any stack. DocuSign's enhanced capabilities for digital signature offer a more suitable solution for highly regulated industries and countries where specific methods of identity validation are required. However, SignNow is quickly closing that gap by introducing PKI-based digital signatures and the Advanced Electronic Signature, or simply AES. This enables identification of the signer and allows the signer to retain control. Therefore, if you want to collect authentic digital signatures verified by unique ID certificates, SignNow is a viable alternative to DocuSign. Now, let's look at integrations available for SignNow and DocuSign. Integrations are critical for building efficient and seamless e-signature workflows inside different software environments, and both SignNow and DocuSign know that. Throughout its long history, DocuSign has developed a slightly broader selection of pre-built integrations. However, SignNow integrations play well with the most popular CRM systems, productivity apps, and cloud storage services. Both companies offer powerful APIs and Zapier connections, which means unlimited possibilities for building custom eSignature workflows. However, to use integrations, connectors, and API, DocuSign users must purchase the most expensive business plan. The exact cost of this plan is not publicly available. Now, let's look at another topic we're proud of: customer support. Both DocuSign and SignNow put a heavy emphasis on self-service support. SignNow offers a comprehensive help center, step-by-step tutorials on its YouTube channel, facts, blogs, release notes, and other educational content on how to use SignNow. DocuSign checks the same boxes and goes further with a support community where users can participate in discussions, answer each other's questions, and share useful tips. Both DocuSign and SignNow provide live chat and ticket-based support. Additionally, SignNow offers phone support and personal integration support for customers with its top-tier subscription. User feedback is extremely important to us. As of today, SignNow scores higher than DocuSign based on G2 ratings, and both scored equally high according to Gartner. Now, let's see what users think. Overall, SignNow reviews and ratings show a very high customer satisfaction level, which proves that SignNow meets the requirements and expectations of most users in terms of functionality, customer support, and pricing, while keeping pace with industry leaders like DocuSign. SignNow reviewers mostly praise its ease of use, setup, and management. They're also pleased with how easy it is to do business with SignNow and how much value it brings. Just listen to what this SignNow customer has to say.
It's really simple to use, right? It's not a technical product. It works on the phone, on a mobile device, which is critical today. It works on the desktop. It's intuitive, great communication, reliable service, good customer support, and a willingness to go beyond the expected.
Both SignNow and DocuSign are great tools that simplify your daily operations and make paperwork less time-consuming. Our head-to-head comparison shows that SignNow's powerful eSignature functionality, high security and compliance standards, and honest pricing bring tons of value at a considerably lower price than DocuSign. Are you ready to switch from DocuSign to SignNow? Give it a try by clicking the link on the screen.